Máquinas Miruna was founded in 1950. During this long walk since then, it became a quality symbol in the production of wire stitching machines. Currently, there are thousands of machines running in national and international markets, simulation, development, and guaranteeing the safety of countless products. From its headquarters in Joinville, southern states of Santa Catarina, Brazil, the wire stitching machines are exported to the 5 continents in the world. Next, please be introduced to the semi-automatic G800 stitching machine. Quality, practicality, and contemporaneity at your company's reach. The G800 is used in the corrugated cardboard industry, in which either glue or staples can be used. An elevator adjustable stitching table is incorporated to the machine's main body, which in the automatic mode shall sustain and maintain the ideal entrance level for the cardboards, stapling or gluing, substantially reducing the operator's efforts in fitting operations in the exclusion of his work. There is also a production recording device to program the number of the boxes to be produced. Its programming system is quite simple. Only basic parameters are necessary. Follow closely. Initially, it predicts the distance of the first staple in relation to the beginning of the cardboard. The second parameter establishes the distance among the staples, where the work range is limited between 20 and 50 millimeters. The third parameter is the quantity of staples used in the stitching, to be programmed from the 1 to 99 staples. Stitching speed can also be changed from 500 to 800 staples per minute at normal range, and for eventual emergencies, the machine can work up to 999 staples per minute. And additionally, boxes per package can be programmed, that is, the numbers of boxes stored on the tray until discharge. The number of packages implies in how many discharges there will be until the conveyor is activated, thus keeping equal bales in number of boxes. Bales of maximum 25 boxes. All of the programs are stored as recipes. There can be a recipe for each kind of box. Programs are protected by passwords so that only authorized people have access. 500 program memories are available that can easily be uploaded, being able to be operated by anyone. The PLC, Programmable Logic Controller, may be remotely accessed via modem, making it easier, simplifying and reducing maintenance costs. It is possible to carry out the maintenance of hardware by simply plugging the cables. The elevator goes down to a distance of up to 320 millimeters from the ground level for fitting. It is 2.210 millimeters wide and 1000 millimeters long. The elevation course is of 800 millimeters and its cargo capacity 500 kilograms, run by a 2-horsepower motor. It is also equipped with an emergency cord, as well as an emergency button on the panel and another on the left side of the machine. This way, it may be panel activated in manual mode or through a button on the panel. Let's take a look at which step to take before having the G800 begin stitching. Manual adjustment is light, fast and easy. The conveyor is regulated to adjust to the cardboard thickness, and then the head is placed over the anvil, adjusting it with pressure over the cardboard for the perfect closing of the staple. Bring the two carriages together from both sides. Place the adjustment squares. On both sides, the conveyor belts have a displacement of 780 mm, taking boxes of up to 2000 mm. The squares have a displacement of 240 mm each. The head moves 400 mm to each side in relation to the machine center line. After having uploaded the recipe, the machine is ready to begin stitching. The head is moved by a servo motor of 2.5 horsepower. The transporting conveyor by a 3.3 horsepower motor. The boxes are stored on the tray until being released to the conveyor. This is the so-called package, where one can program the number of boxes contained in it to constitute the package. The forwarding conveyor stays in standby mode until the package is released to the baler, reducing parts wear out and sparing the boxes from wearing down through friction with this procedure, consequently also reducing energy consumption. The staple is placed at 45 degrees angle in relation to the box axis. Staple or crown width is of 14 mm. The staple leg length can be changed from 10.5 mm to 13.5 or 15 mm. As you can see, the semi-automatic G800 is an excellent solution for your company and your business. Besides, quickly and perfectly carrying out your tasks, it is a viable option to aid your employees in time and energy saving, thus increasing productivity. In each and every detail, an additional reason for you to order your G800 and give your production team that extra hand. Semi-automatic G800, all you expect from a stitching machine. Another Miruna product, more than a half a century of experience.